Did you know that the wealthiest individuals in the world often pay proportionally less in taxes than the average person? I am talking about the 1% who own 90% of the world's money. Let's discover how the wealthy individuals leverage tax breaks to build their wealth even further that can last for generations by exploring the Cash Flow Quadrant, a roadmap to your financial future. This concept, introduced by Robert Kiyosaki, serves as a guide to understanding the different ways people earn income and how you can navigate your way to financial independence. In the journey of achieving financial freedom, the rich adopt a different set of strategies, rules, and secrets. Let's look deeper into these strategies as they can help you build and sustain wealth. Have you ever dreamed of financial freedom? The kind of freedom where you no longer have to worry about bills, debts, or financial constraints holding you back from living your best life? Imagine a life where money worries are a thing of the past. Picture yourself celebrating with your family, enjoying the fruits of your labor without the constant stress of financial burdens. You have the time and resources to pursue your passions, spend quality time with loved ones, and live life on your terms. Whether it's traveling the world, starting a new hobby, or simply enjoying more moments with your family, financial freedom opens up endless possibilities. This is the promise of the Cash Flow Quadrant. It's not just a financial model, it's a roadmap to a brighter and more secure financial future. The Cash Flow Quadrant is a simple but powerful model to grow your wealth. It categorizes people based on how they earn their income. It breaks down the complex world of finance into 4 distinct categories, making it easier to understand and navigate. It's not about how much money you make, but how you make it. The quadrant helps you see the bigger picture and understand the different strategies people use to generate income. Understanding this concept can be your first step towards achieving financial freedom. It's about shifting your mindset and recognizing the opportunities that lie within each quadrant. There are 4 quadrants: employee, E, self-employed, S, business owner, B, and investor, I. Each quadrant represents a different way of generating income and comes with its own unique set of challenges and rewards. Each quadrant represents a different way of generating income and comes with its own set of advantages and disadvantages. For instance, employees have job security but limited income potential, while business owners can scale their income but face higher risks. In this video, we'll explore each quadrant in detail, focusing on how the rich use tax breaks and financial strategies to build wealth. You'll learn how to leverage these strategies to your advantage, regardless of which quadrant you currently find yourself in. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of the different paths to financial freedom and be inspired to take control of your financial future. You'll be equipped with the knowledge and tools to make informed decisions and create a plan that aligns with your goals and aspirations. Reflect on your current financial situation and envision where you want to be. The Cash Flow Quadrant is your map to a future filled with possibilities and financial security. By exploring the Cash Flow Quadrant, we will unlock the potential that lies within you. Stuck in the rat race, the life of an employee is a journey many embark on, filled with both challenges and rewards. The Employee E Quadrant is where most people start their financial journey. It's a place of learning, growth, and experience. Employees trade their time and skills for a paycheck, dedicating hours to tasks and projects, working for someone else's dream. They contribute to the vision and goals of the company. They have a boss, follow a set schedule, and adhere to company policies. Their income is limited by the hours they work, creating a ceiling on their financial growth. While being an employee offers stability and security, it provides a sense of routine and predictability. It often comes with limited earning potential and high taxes, which can be a significant burden. Employees pay the highest percentage of taxes on their income, facing deductions before they even see their paycheck. They are taxed on their wages before they even receive their paycheck, reducing their take-home pay. Think of it like this: you're running on a treadmill, exerting effort, but staying in the same place, working hard, but not getting ahead. The long hours and dedication often don't translate to significant financial progress. You're stuck in the rat race, navigating a complex system with no clear exit, trading your time for money, which can feel like an endless cycle. with little control over your financial future. The constraints of the employee life can be limiting, but it's also a stepping stone for many. Understanding this dynamic is the first step towards seeking new opportunities and breaking free from the cycle. The self-employed S quadrant is for those who crave more control over their time and income. They are doctors, lawyers, consultants, freelancers, and small business owners who work for themselves. While self-employed individuals have more freedom and flexibility than employees, they often find themselves trading hours for dollars. Their income is directly tied to their effort, and they face the challenges of managing their own business. Imagine you're a freelance writer. You have the freedom to choose your projects and set your hours. But if you don't work, you don't get paid. Plus, you're responsible for finding clients, managing your finances, and handling all aspects of your business. Building an empire requires one to adopt the business owner mindset. The business owner B quadrant is where true wealth creation begins. Business owners create systems and teams that generate income, even when they're not actively working in the business. Think of it like building a machine that prints money. Instead of trading their time for money, business owners leverage the time and skills of others to build assets that generate passive income. One of the key advantages of being a business owner is the ability to leverage tax laws to their advantage. This means understanding and utilizing the various tax benefits available to them, which can make a significant difference in their financial health. Business owners have access to a wide range of deductions and credits that can significantly reduce their tax burden. These deductions can include everything from office supplies to larger expenses like equipment and property. For example, business owners can deduct expenses related to their business, such as office rent, supplies, travel, and even employee salaries. These deductions help lower the taxable income, which in turn reduces the amount of tax owed. They can also take advantage of depreciation deductions, which allow them to recover the cost of assets over time. This means that the value of items like machinery, vehicles, and office furniture can be deducted over several years. Imagine you own a restaurant. The tax benefits available to you can be substantial. You can deduct the cost of food, rent, utilities, and staff salaries from your taxable income. Additionally, you can also deduct expenses related to marketing, insurance, and even certain legal fees. This reduces your tax liability, freeing up more cash flow to reinvest in your business or invest in other assets. By strategically planning and understanding the tax code, business owners can use these savings to expand their operations, hire more staff, or even open new locations. The key is to stay informed and work with a knowledgeable tax advisor to maximize these benefits. The Investor I quadrant is where passive income reigns supreme. Investors make their money work for them, generating income from assets such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and businesses. Investors understand the power of compounding and use their money to acquire assets that appreciate in value over time. They focus on building long-term wealth and creating multiple streams of passive income. Imagine you invest in a rental property. You collect rent each month, which covers your mortgage payments and other expenses. As the property appreciates in value, your net worth grows, and you build equity that can be used to purchase additional assets. Investors also enjoy significant tax advantages, ultimately making their money work for them. Consider the money you have earned as your gold. Every gold piece you save and invest is a slave to work for you. Every copper it earns is its child that also can earn for you, making you wealthy and giving you the abundance you crave. For example, long-term capital gains, which are profits from investments held for more than a year, are taxed at a lower rate than ordinary income. Investors can also defer paying taxes on their investment gains by reinvesting them through tax-advantaged accounts, such as 401(k)s and IRAs. This allows their money to grow tax-free until retirement. Think of it like this: the government wants to encourage investment, so they offer tax breaks to those who put their money to work in the economy. By understanding and leveraging these tax advantages, investors can accelerate their wealth-building journey. Let's look at a real-life example. Sarah starts her career as a teacher, an employee in the E quadrant. She works hard, saves diligently, and eventually accumulates enough savings to purchase a small rental property. This move transitions her into the I quadrant. Over time, Sarah acquires more rental properties, generating passive income that exceeds her teaching salary. She eventually quits her job and focuses on managing her real estate portfolio, becoming a full-fledged investor. This is just one example of how anyone can achieve financial freedom by understanding the cash flow quadrant and leveraging the power of investing and tax advantages. Breaking free. Your journey to financial independence starts now. The cash flow quadrant is not about choosing one quadrant over another. It's about understanding the different paths to financial freedom and identifying the one that aligns with your goals and aspirations. Whether you aspire to be a successful entrepreneur, a savvy investor, or a combination of both, the key is to take control of your financial future. Start by educating yourself about personal finance, investing, and tax strategies. The time for action is today. Remember, financial freedom is not a destination. It's a journey. It requires patience, discipline, and a willingness to learn and adapt. But the rewards are well worth the effort. Start by identifying your current quadrant and set a goal for where you want to be. Then, take action. Read books, attend seminars, and seek guidance from mentors who have already achieved financial success. Remember, you can only earn up to that which you know. The path to financial freedom is within your reach. Take control of your financial future and start building the life of your dreams today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the Tangible Wealth channel. Share this video with your friends and family. Let's build wealth together and take control of our financial futures.